Most people get this wrong. They assume all digital banks are basically the same. Silvercrest Bank in 2026 proves that's not true. With competitive interest rates, low fees, and modern digital tools, it's designed not just to hold your money but to help it grow. Silvercrest offers checking and savings accounts, along with automated goal-based savings. You can set multiple targets: emergency funds, vacations, or large purchases, and the bank automatically moves money into these accounts based on your income and spending patterns. Even modest, consistent contributions can add up faster than you'd expect. The mobile app is intuitive and feature-rich. It tracks spending, predicts upcoming bills, and sends alerts if you're at risk of overdraft. The dashboard gives a clear snapshot of your finances, helping you make better decisions and stay on track toward your goals. Security is robust. Silvercrest uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available via chat or phone if you need assistance. The limitation: Silvercrest doesn't offer full investment services or wealth management, but if your priority is secure, automated, and efficient banking with smart savings features, it's an excellent option. So, is Silvercrest Bank worth it in 2026? Definitely. For anyone looking for a modern, secure, and intelligent banking experience, Silvercrest is a smart choice. Subscribe for more reviews on tools that help you manage and grow your money efficiently.